Hey guys, I know the question's sometimes asked to change the clutch spring. I was just messing around with my RC Max 70 and just trying out some different springs. It's pretty much a simple process. I hope this could be seen. This is a regular CY clutch. You gotta change the spring. Just pop it off. Okay. Then you're gonna take it. Alright. Put a new spring on there. Basically want to make sure you get, let's see, 2 grooves. Okay. Now with the 6000 spring you can more or less just pop it on like that and you're done. Make sure you got it in the right direction. Okay, same thing with this bigger clutch. You could also line up your grooves. I don't know if you can see this one. Lay it down on a flat surface and push down on it. I've used vices, you know, if you have a real tough time, but that's pretty much it. Hope this helps somebody.